Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. And in this one, we're going to take a quick look on how we can export event data from our searches. So if I go back to log activity, and for example, I do last 1 hour, and you can ignore this error. It basically happens because my second event processor is currently down. I turned it off, so I can go ahead and choose event processor filter and select my main one. And now it's only going to get events from my main collector. So let's assume we don't want the health metrics and we don't know the system. We don't want the system notifications and we don't want the SIM audit ones. So we have 25 pages of events, which is quite enough. And I can go ahead on actions and I can export to CSV or to XML. And I can export only the columns I see, which are here. And like we've seen in the previous videos, we can go to edit search and I can modify all of the columns I want or don't want. So I can delete this one, can delete this one, and this one. And I can also group by any custom property I want. And if I hit search, I'm going to see only the columns I specified. So I can go ahead and click on actions and I can export to CSV visible columns. And it's going to take a quick second here. And now I can open the file. And I can see that all of my events have been successfully exported from the search we've performed. So if you have a need to send events to clients or to do some post-processing on whatever need you may have, you can do that. It's very simple. You just go to actions and you export based on the format that you want. And yeah, you can either do the visible columns export or all of them, which you also don't see here. Basically, it's going to take each of those properties that are present and it's going to include them in your report, right? So you can do that. And another thing is, let's take a quick look on how XML looks like. Let's do a full export. Okay. Let's open. Oh, my bad, I chose the wrong application. So yeah, it's not very helpful for us to read this, but usually when you're troubleshooting problems related to events, IBM support is going to ask you for an XML export. So they can load it on their labs and perform what you have done in order to achieve those results. So just remember that you have two of those options. You're going to mainly use CSV. And yeah, that's pretty much for this video. Quite simple. And I will see you guys in the next one.